how to get power-ups in the Bingo Blitz game. If you have been playing the Bingo Blitz game and wondering on how to get the power-ups on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open your application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now, here you can find the booster, which is the lightning icon right here. Select it. Here you can find the Bingo Boost, just right here. So these are the boost and power-ups you can use here and here. Now, here you can find a free power pack. Now simply tap on it and you will get it every 2 hours. So keep on coming back on this game every 2 hours and you will get that power pack. And the other power-ups, you can simply purchase it just right here by the gems, and you can also win the power-ups by going into the events as well. And that's it. This is how you can get the power-ups in the Bingo Blitz game. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.